Hi, my name is Sean Herman. I am the pastry chef and owner of Boîte Pâtisserie, a home bakery business located in Cleveland Heights, Ohio. Boîte Pâtisserie means little box bakery. It's a conglomeration of English and French for little box. Boîte is inspired by my food memories from my youth and bring that to a more sophisticated palate. From month to month, I offer assorted pastry boxes which follow a seasonal menu made with boutique French pastry using classical techniques and handcrafted with local ingredients. Each box has a cookie, bread, cake, and tart combination which changes as the seasons change. I'll be raising funds with Honeycomb in order to pay for additional equipment and for baking and confectionery to increase production, as well as cover some labor costs for myself and debt consolidation of previously purchased equipment. By investing in more equipment, I will be able to increase my production yield and more consistently offer pastry to folks in the Cleveland metropolitan area. I currently sell to one wholesale customer, and that is Leco Coffee in Ohio City. And I would love to be able to sell to other cafes and restaurants in the Cleveland area as well. By supporting Boîte, you're also supporting other small businesses in and around Cleveland via ingredient sourcing and collaborations with other businesses as well. I source from local farms within a 2-hour radius for produce, dairy, and grains, and I'm building a network of food collaborators as I grow. Thank you so much for supporting my Honeycomb campaign. I look forward to sharing my favorite memories with you.